All right, chicos, we're gonna go grab a bite to eat here. You might as well come along for the ride. We just did our tour back through that hippie zone. Going that way, man. We're looking at these places here. They have a sign up, so rooms and apartments for rent. They haven't got back to us yet, but it's Sunday, right? So we'll see. Well, there's places up there. That's a beautiful view up there, I bet. So you got this little bar right here. Little convenience store bar. Just down the road from us. And this place here, I mean, this has got to be rental properties, but there's no sign, so it's probably full. Unless there's a sign around the other side here. Yeah, I was kind of looking at this place here. I don't know if it's apartments or what it is. Oh, you got dogs here. Yeah, no signs. Come on. Oh, this is a church here. It's probably a hostel as well. Yeah, it's a church, but I'm thinking it's probably a hostel as well. Yeah, they probably rent rooms in there. More than likely. So the main highway is just up here in front of us, guys. There's a lot of apartments and hotels here. And they're building lots too. Like, look at this is all being built. Places all down there. Well, this place here is closed. Sweet Wave it's called, but they're closed. They got the OXXO, Pemex right across the street. There's a restaurant right over there where the lights are. Right by the van, right there. And there's a place right here too. They're gonna throw CC in his little pouch. You don't like the traffic. It's 6:30. Yeah, maybe we'll go over there across the street. Okay, so we're at this little place on the side of the highway here, right next to the OXXO. Got some ladies here eating. Our place is just straight down that road over there. We got noisy bikes going by. There's another little restaurant right here. Busy. Busy little area here anyway. We got 5 beef tacos and mango juice coming. And then some chips and salsa. So I thought this was separate, but the fellow is cleaning this table here, so they might run the store and the little taco shop here. Little tiende. Yeah, it kind of looks like it. It's the same sign. Yeah, it is. Yeah, it's the same sign over there. Right there. Camparasa. So it's all the same. Okay, I already put the red sauce on. Hola de verde. Gracias. Add a little bit of the roll. A little more. Very good. I gotta have the limon. Got my mango juice. Let's see how these tacos are, guys. Pretty good. How's yours? Pretty good tacos. Oh, you got a big quesadilla. Oh, it's really good too. So that truck there that's getting gas with the canopy, that's actually like a taxi. So I've seen them hauling people around. It's like a budget taxi. They've got the canopy and he's got seats in the back. So that's pretty cool. And there was people sitting in the front of that too, I noticed. But when I was going down to the beach today, when we're on our bikes, I noticed them picking people up and dropping people off at the bus stop. So it's like a bus, taxi, slash public transit, whatever you want to call it. Probably pretty cheap, economical. I'll find out. So our meal was 280. Yeah, 285 with tip, so pretty reasonable considering we had 5 tacos and then we ordered this. And this
gigantic thing.
Yeah, this gigantic.
Tlayuda.
Yeah, so here's another one. There's these taxis.
Yeah, there are trucks here.
Yeah.
Not vans.
Yeah.
Same idea as a collectivo, I believe.
Yeah, see, these guys want to get on it, but he's going the other way. Yeah, so like a taxi, like a bus, whatever. All right, guys, that's it. That's all. Thank you for sticking around with us tonight. We're just gonna walk home here across this super busy highway. God bless everybody out there. Peace on earth. And as always, be kind to one another. Hasta luego. Oh, this guy's turning, babe. Well, we got no sidewalk here, so we gotta we'll walk down here. Here's the hump. Oh, Jennifer already boogied across. Look at her run. Run, run, run. Yeah. Yeah. Adios, hasta luego. Oh, I thought you dropped something. Okay. Well, let's see what we got. Okay. Wood fire.
Looks rather dry, to be honest with you.